I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make white sauce for baked mac. Start by melting the butter in your saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in the flour to create a smooth roux. Cook this mixture for about 1 minute, stirring constantly until it forms a pale, golden paste. This roux is the essential base for our creamy white sauce, ensuring a rich texture and flavor for your baked macaroni dish. Now, let's get that roux just right. Melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter in your saucepan over medium heat. Once it's fully melted, whisk in 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Keep whisking for about 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture becomes a pale, golden paste. This step is crucial for eliminating any raw flour taste and building a flavorful foundation. With your roux ready, it's time to add the milk. Gradually pour in 2 cups of cold milk, about 1/2 cup at a time, whisking continuously to ensure a smooth, lump-free sauce. Keep whisking over medium heat until the sauce thickens to your desired consistency, usually taking about 5 to 7 minutes. Finally, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, and a tiny pinch of nutmeg for a delightful aroma. Once your sauce has reached that lovely, thick consistency, let it simmer gently for another 1 to 2 minutes, stirring occasionally. Then, remove it from the heat and give it a quick taste test. Adjust any seasonings if necessary to achieve the perfect balance of flavors. This versatile and delicious white sauce is now ready to be poured generously over your baked macaroni, creating a truly comforting and satisfying dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.